morning all. Myself Sajid. I am going to tell here the topic shear force diagram and bending moment diagram in strength of materials. See, strength of materials is the key subject which you are going to deal in your entire civil engineering. If you are thorough in this subject, you are able to know the knowledge, entire knowledge in your civil engineering subjects. How? Here in this subject you are going to deal with slopes, deflection, how much shear force you are generating in the member, how much bending moment is generating in your structure, I mean like individual members. So if you know that how much shear force is generating, how much bending moment is generating, then you are able to know your designed member or designed structure is safe or not. So in order to know that thing, you must have idea about shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Now means we are having some softwares like AutoCAD, STAAD, GitHub, like this, etc. We are doing in software. But in previous years, we don't have any software. Yeah, at that time we are using manual calculations only. So to do that manual calculations, students are facing a lot of trouble for calculating shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. In this lecture, I will tell you how to calculate shear force diagram and bending moment diagram easily. By completion of this lecture, you will be able to know crystal clear of this solving problem. First, to know this concept, let's take an example. See, suppose like this our number is there. It is carrying out 2 point loads. The symbol indicates point loads. Okay. So one point load is 10 km, another point load is 20 km, which is acting at a distance of 2 meters and 3 meters. As you know, this support is called as hinge support. This support is called as rigid roller support. See, basically we are having totally 3 types of supports. One is fixed support, another one is hinge support, another one is roller support. Fixed support is restrained against 3 reactions. One is vertical reaction, another one is horizontal reaction, another one is it is having movement. Another one is hinge support. Hinge support is restrained against one is vertical force, another one is horizontal force. Another one is roller support. For roller support, it is restrained against only vertical direction. Sir, how we will remember all these reactions? How we will get to know which one is restrained against which one is resistance? I will tell you practical example for one roller support. With that, we can be able to understand. See, if you take an example of cricket ball, okay, if the ball is placed on a table, it will be fixed only at vertical direction. In vertical direction, it won't move up and down unless if any force is active. Okay, if any force is active in horizontal direction, it will stop or it will close. No, it will place like that only. Okay, that is the thing. It will be fixed against vertical direction. This also it will be fixed against both 2 directions. It will be fixed against 3 directions. Okay, by using this concept, we are going to solve SFD and BMD. Okay, in calculation of SFD and BMD, we are having 3 steps. First one is finding reactions. Second one is finding shear force diagram. Third one is finding bending moment. In first step, we need to find out reactions. In reactions, we are having 3 equilibrium conditions. What are they? One is vertical forces summation are equal to 0. Another one is horizontal forces summation equal to 0. Another one is movement is equal to 0. Vertical force means downward forces equal to upward forces. Horizontal forces means right side going forces equal to left side forces. Okay. So first we here in this finding reaction, see how many vertical forces are there. This one is there, this one is there. To counterbalance these forces, 2 supports are present. Which one? This one and this one. Okay. To balance these forces, in order to become this member stable, these 2 supports has to balance these 2 weights. Okay. So summation vertical forces is equal to 0. So here what is that? 10 plus 20. That is equal to here keep this is here, keep this as B. Okay. RA plus RB. Yes, these are reactional supports. Okay. So total you will get Ra plus Rb is equal to 30 kilonewtons. Yes, these are loads. Okay. Here another equilibrium condition is horizontal forces. Here no horizontal force is acting, so we won't use the horizontal force. Next one is movement. So movement formula is that is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. Okay. You can take with respect to A or with respect to point B. I am here taking with respect to A. If you want to take with respect to B, you can do with respect to B. Yes, sir, I am going to do this. Okay. Here movement at A. Here you need to take clockwise direction as positive. Anti-clockwise as negative. If you want to take clockwise as negative, you can take. Anti-clockwise as positive, you can take. No matter at all. So here, what is the force is there? One force is there. Another force is there. This one force is there. So what is the force? This is generating. This is the force. Some distance. This is the force. Some distance. This is the force. Some distance. So what is the direction? This is coming like this. So this is clockwise direction. So clockwise direction we are taking as positive. So positive force into direction is we have taken as 2 meters. So that is 2 meters. Okay. Next force is 20 kilometers. This is also some generating clockwise movement. So with respect to point A, that is positive 20 into up to here. Okay, I have taken this as right. So assume this has 2 meters. Okay. Take this as 1 meter. So totally from here to here, 2 plus 2, 4 meters. So that is 20 into 4. Still again, one direction support is that is RB. RB is generating here like this. So this is coming here like this. That is anti-clockwise. As we take anti-clockwise as negative. So minus RB into total distance is 1 plus 2 plus 2. That is 5 meters. So if you solve this one, you will get as 10 into 20. 20 plus 4, 80. 80 plus 20, 100. 100 is equal to 5 RB. So you will get RB is equal to 20 kilonewtons. If you solve this one here, you will get as RA is equal to 30 minus 20. That is RA is equal to 10 kilonewtons. What these values are telling? So if I remember if 10 kilonewtons and 20 kilonewtons are coming, then these supports RA should take 10 kilonewtons, RB will take 20 kilonewtons, so that the number will be stable. Okay. So first step is completed. That is finding out reactions. Next step is we need to find shear force diagram. In shear force diagram, first we need to have idea about sign conventions. For sign conventions, you take simply as I have designed personally, that is run concept. That is right side upward force negative. So for section, right side upward force is negative. So this is negative, keep this as negative. This is remaining, keep as positive. Okay, right side upward force negative for calculation of shear force diagram. So this is here, that is B. So keep this point as C, keep this point as D. Now find out shear force. Shear force at A, shear force at C. Incoming in order is shear force at D, shear force at B. Okay. Next, at shear force at A, draw. Now again calculate left, right. Here also same left, right. At D, left, right. At B, left, right. Okay. So now trial section just below, just before the section A. Okay. And I have drawn the section left. Okay. So after drawing the section left-wise, see either this side, either that side. If you say this side, there is no forces. Okay. Here anything forces present? No forces present. So you can keep blind as 0. Sir, whenever we take, I will see this side, I want to see that side also. If you see this side also, you will get the variable as 0. We will see that in the later case. Now next is right section. So from this section, and just after the I have drawn a section right towards it. So now after right side, see that side or otherwise this side. If you see that side, one force is there, another force is there. I want to see this side because only one force is there. Okay, so if I see this one, what is this force? That is upward force, that is reactions of RDA. Okay, so